Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable downloading over cellular data in the Calm app. This is a useful feature if you want to save your mobile data and only download content when you are connected to Wi-Fi. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the section labeled Download over Cellular. This option controls whether the app can download new content while you are using mobile data. Finally, toggle the Download over Cellular option off. By turning this off, you will prevent the Calm app from using your cellular data to download content. This means downloads will only happen when you are connected to Wi-Fi, helping you save on your mobile data plan. Thanks for watching,